my people, welcome back to the channel. Guys, Shelly have gone right outside or on the road with her stepmother to do some business. I've been reading all your comments them. Okay? But guess what? Me a bust off her head to tonight. Me, I'm not gonna tell you people what the prank is gonna be. But guess what? Me I go pack up a bag and make her think that maybe me upset because she leave and go out. Guys, look, you people, you sit down and wait for it. Tonight she's gonna get it.
Where you go? Where you go? Eh? Don't take me a talk to where you go? You can't talk. Where you going? I coming up on the road, your mother? Jaja, they coming up on the road, your mother? We talk to you. We shall to assume say you go.
Let the bag go, man. Let the bag go.
We assume say you're going. I'm talking to you.
Let the bag go.
When I was steaming here, everything was okay. Me, I call your phone and you're not answering, but your phone I ring.
You don't hear no phone.
Where you have go?
You don't hear no phone.
But sure. Me, I talk to you and you're not answering me and you're still at park. Where are you going? Where you going? Where you going? Answer. Samusi, why you dress up so? Which party you go? No, we are two big people. When me I left you a while ago, everything was okay.
But let the bag go.
No.
Let the bag go now. Let the bag go. Let the bag go.
Samusi, we are
Let the bag.
where you.
But let me bag go. Let the bag go. Put the bag down now.
All right. May I ask you one question? What happened? Samusi, may I talk to you? What happened? Jesus. Samusi. Me tell us, me I go out with Angela, them go down at the place. You know about it. You did okay with it. So me ask you, you still a park. Where you go?
Don't I have right to pack my stuff?
Where you going? All right, answer the question. Which
So
part you go?
put my bag down. Put my bag down.
Samusi.
Put my bag down.
When I left here, me tell him I was leaving, you was okay with it.
Put my bag
What
down.
happened now?
Put my bag down now.
Where you going with so much clothes? Where you go, Samusi? Where you going? Me talk to you, we shall you go.
Put my shoes down now.
Where are you? You can't answer.
Put my shoes down. Put my shoes down now.
What me do while you go where? What you do? Samusi, where you going? Me talk to you. Samusi, me talk to you. What me do? Where you go?
Look.
Where you going?
Listen. Why
No,
you keep put?
Samusi.
No, well, you cannot be pulling me like that.
Just sit down here and talk to me. What me do?
No, let me take my jacket first.
For what?
Let me take my jacket out.
Samusi, you not take
Let
the
me
jacket.
take my jacket off.
No, Samusi. No.
Man, you
What me do?
Boy, you don't keep pulling me like that, man.
What me do, Samusi? This is serious. When you leave here this evening, no, Samusi, you not put on a jacket. Where you going? If you can't tell me where you go, may I come?
Listen, man. Look, listen. Where are you gonna follow me?
I'm
No, you're not coming with me.
Why? Where are you
You-
going?
you
What
not-
did I
you
do?
not-
What
you-
me do?
You're not coming with me. Look how all you messing up my clothes. You're not coming with me.
What's that say? Me not come with you, you not talk with you, you not go nowhere. Where you go?
You're not coming with me. not coming with me. Let me
Where you
pack my bag
going?
now.
Where are you going? So why you can't talk?
Let me pack my bag now.
Sanusi, if me do something, tell me what me do. What me do? You don't believe me? Say me go out with Angela. Me I talk to you, you can't answer.
Take it half an hour. Half an hour.
Half an hour where you going?
Half an hour. I'll be there half an hour.
You're not going nowhere half an hour. Where are you going? Where you going?
Give me the
No.
bag,
Tell me which part you go.
Give me my bag. Give me my
Sanusi,
bag. Give me my bag.
when I was leaving here, everything was good. Me tell me I run at the furniture store with the lady.
Mama, what socks there?
What me do?
Give me my bag.
No,
Let me
you're not
pack
get the
my
bag.
Me
No.
listen,
I
man.
told we are going then.
Look,
Me I go pack. Where you going? Who you tell half an hour?
You could go and go back. You could
Who
go and
you
go
tell
back.
half an
You could go and go
You're
back.
not go nowhere. Which part you go?
Why you taking
No,
my stuff
no.
them like that? Give me my bag.
Sanusi.
Don't let me put my stuff there.
Where do you assume that you are going?
Look, man, me tired,
Where
man. I
do-
need a break. Give me my bag now. Put my bag down now.
But you're tired of doing me, they are good today. What me do?
Look, man, me tired,
Where
man.
do-
I need a break. Give me my bag now. Put my bag down now.
But you're tired of doing me, they are good today. What me do?
Look, man, put the bag down now. Let me put
Now
my
put
stuff
on the
there.
bag, you know, me now put on the bag. But
Put on me.
Alright.
Listen, man. Put
No,
on me bag
tell me
now.
where you're going.
Put
no,
on- okay, no.
no. Tell me where you're going. Where are you going?
Listen, I don't have to tell you.
No, you did not go then.
I don't have to tell you.
You're not going.
I don't have to tell you.
No, you're not going. You are not going. You're not going nowhere. Unless for me, I am go.
You're not going with me.
Tell me where you go.
You're not going with me.
Who just called you?
You're not going with me.
Who
You-
just called you, Sanusi?
Don't-
Let me see your phone.
Don't worry about it.
Let me see your phone.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Who just called
Don't
you?
worry about it.
Who you going? All right. Who
Don't-
you going with?
Don't worry about it. I said I needed a break. I
Who
need
you
a break.
going?
I'm tired. I need a break. I need a break from me.
Sanusi, take off
I
them
need a
clothes
break.
here because you're
No,
not going nowhere.
listen.
Take them off. You're not going nowhere.
Okay, you can have
Where
that.
you
You can
going?
have that one. Take that one. Take
We
that
never
one.
see nothing like this.
When-
You're bipolar?
When me shoes, man.
You're bipolar what?
Give me my shoes now.
No. Sanusi.
Give me my shoes now.
All
Give me-
right.
Look,
And one thing
listen.
me I ask you. One thing me I ask you.
Listen, man.
Where-
Me not like
where
when you
you
keep pushing
going?
me like that.
Where you
listen,
going? Tell
listen.
me-
I don't have no.
Tell me where you're
I don't
going.
have. I
Tell
don't
me
have. I don't have. Listen. Make
Sanusi,
your case, boy.
me know say
Relax.
you're your own big man.
Make your case,
But
boy.
we
Relax.
don't live like this in here. If
but
I am going
listen.
going somewhere, I communicate it to you.
Me not telling you listen, me not telling you when you go me follow you.
You not follow me, but me tell you where me I go.
Okay, well you not follow me. Me just wanna go. I need to go.
Alright, me I ask you
Me
the
just
question,
wanna go.
Sanusi. Why? What me
Me
do?
just want to go. When you go,
Tell me what me do.
when you go, you go. So I myself, I should be able to free to go.
But you can't go, but tell me why and where you're going.
No, me not tell you when we go. Don't worry about that. I need a
Sanusi,
break.
did you tell me you had
look-
plans to go
look-
out?
Look at it. You scatter all.
You're not going nowhere. You're
Come
not
on,
going nowhere. You're not going nowhere. Where you going?
Let me put on my socks, man. Let me put on my socks.
You're not going nowhere.
You go.
Which part you go so where you pack up all of them little bag and so?
Okay, because I needed a break. Because I need all of those stuff. I'm gonna need them.
You need
I
a
needed-
break from what?
I needed a break. I said I'm tired. I need a
Where
break.
you tired of? Tell me where you tired of. What me do you?
I'm tired of you.
Why? What me do you?
Why you have no reason?
Why you tired of me? Who
Why-
called you? Let
why
me see your
have-
phone.
Leave my phone alone.
Who called
You know I don't grab phone. Leave my phone
Who
alone.
called you and tell you half an hour?
Leave my phone alone. Leave my phone alone.
Well, guess what? You're not come out here tonight.
Okay. Okay.
Sanusi, who called you?
You ask me. Why you keep asking me what you're asking me?
Who called you?
Come
You're
on,
not.
man.
You're not coming out here.
Come
You're
on.
not going. You're not going.
That's what
No,
you're
you're
doing
not
now?
going. You're not going.
That's what you see. How you
This
doing
don't
on my
look right.
clothes?
Me left here good this evening. You know, say me I go. And I like me just get up and go away and you never know about it. Me tell you say me I go. And all of a sudden me go away and me come back.
Hello? Hello?
He not gone away.
Hello? Just hold on there. Just hold on there. I told you, just wait a minute. Just hold on there. I told
Bitch,
you
he not gone away. Who you talk to?
Don't worry, I'm coming. Don't worry, I'm coming.
Coming where? You're not going.
Give me my
Not
stuff
going.
now.
You're not
pack
going.
my stuff now.
You are not
Let
going.
me pack my stuff now.
You are not going.
Let me pack my stuff now.
Call them back
Let me
and tell you say you're not
me
going.
not call nobody. Me not call nobody. Me not calling nobody. Give me my shoes.
You're
me
not
want to
going
Give me
nowhere.
my bag now.
You're not going nowhere. Nowhere.
Look, listen.
No.
Give me my bag now.
Sit here and talk to me.
Give me my
Talk
bag
to
now.
me like a big man.
Look, listen.
Me a big man and me a big
This
woman.
is not about big man, big woman. We human being. That's it. I said, I'm tired. I need to take a break.
But Tara, tell me where you're tired.
I'm tired of you.
Tell me where you're tired of. Why you're tired of me? What me do you? What me do you?
I don't have to explain. I need a break. Don't I need a break?
But if me
Don't
need
you
a
get
break,
tired? Okay, I need a break.
if I need a break, I know what I need a break for. Someone say stop playing now. You love playing with me.
Just
Why? What's the reason?
look, listen. I need a break.
You're
I
not
need
going
to
nowhere. You're not going nowhere if you can't tell me. When me can't go, you're not going.
See, watch out. See how you throwing my things them all
You're
over the
not going.
place?
You're not going away. Someone say me
So
leave
we
you.
are-
Me leave you here. Good. Why all of a sudden me go and me come back and you pack for what? You never tell me say you're going away. Normally you tell me say you go where you go.
Look,
No. Me know your mother,
watch out.
but you not go.
Well, you just said it. You know my
Call
mother.
them back and tell them say you're not going. You're not going.
So why you block me at
You not go.
Why you block me
I
for?
don't do shit to you.
What,
I don't do shit to you, Sanusi. There's something here, wickedness. Me don't do nothing at all to you.
Why you block me like
You say
this?
you want a break from me?
I need a break.
What me do? Answer the
Me
question.
not explain it. Me
Alright.
tired.
What me do? Tired of me for what? What me do you?
I said me tired. Look what you're doing. Watch.
What me do you do?
Watch out. What you doing?
No, explain what me
What
do.
you doing?
What me do?
Can't I say I'm tired of you?
But
I
if
don't
you're
need-
tired of me, you
I
have to
don't-
know why you're tired of
I
me.
don't. Look,
Alright.
man.
What me do?
Listen,
What me do
listen,
where you not like?
Listen.
Don't touch me.
What?
Just
Don't. That's the only way you're gonna
Listen.
come out.
why are you leaving?
What you trying to do?
Why you leaving?
What you trying to do?
Me
Why
ask you
you
a
keep
question.
pushing me down like
What me
this?
can't leave? What me do?
Huh? Why you keep pushing me down like this?
You know what?
You've thrown my stuff them all over the place.
This look very fishy.
You've thrown
This
my
look
stuff
very
them all over.
fishy.
So let me pack
You
my.
know enough how
So let me.
no?
So let me
When you
pack.
try to make
so
war
let me-
with people when they don't
so-
have plans.
so-
What kind of plans you have?
So let me pack my bag. then.
Alright, what kind of plans you did have? Tell
Okay,
me.
Go get me bag.
Wait, alright, where you go? Me I get your bag. Where
Okay,
you going?
Okay.
Tell me which part you go. Sit down here and talk to me.
You know what?
Where are you going?
Wait a minute. Am I your child? You say
You're
sit
not
on
my
your phone.
child, but
Okay,
where are
then
you
now I'm
going?
understanding.
Where you going?
Me not tell you.
Who you have a call your
Me
phone?
not tell you.
Someone said, who you have a call your phone? Who call your phone? What call your
Me
phone?
not tell you.
What call you?
What are you talking about?
The person call you 3 times?
What
Who
are you
is
talking
it?
about?
Alright, let me see the phone.
So move out there. So move.
Let me see the
Go
phone. Where your
get-
phone?
Go get me back.
No, let me see your phone first.
Get me back.
No, let me see your. Someone say,
Get me
let
back.
me see your phone first.
Get me back.
Where your phone there?
What you want to do my phone?
Where you assume
Where
say
you
you're
do my
going?
phone?
Which part you assume say you go?
Where
Cause
you
must
do-
assume you assume say you go
Where you
out.
do
Cause
my
you're not
phone?
going nowhere. This is an hour and night. You're not going anywhere.
Why me not go nowhere?
You're not going nowhere.
Why me not go nowhere?
Because this look very, very fishy, Sanusi.
Give me my bag.
No. Give me a logical answer.
Just give
Me
me.
leave you good this
Give me
evening.
my bag.
Why you leaving?
Give me my bag over there.
Where you
son.
left for?
You're making the time I'm giving it. The time is running.
You're not going nowhere. You're not going nowhere. Sit on fire in here tonight. You're not going nowhere, Sanusi. You're not going nowhere. I swear to God.
What is
You're
this?
not going nowhere.
What is this?
You're not going nowhere. Me, you not have nothing at all. Me, you not have nothing at all.
What I feel
Me,
like?
you not have.
What?
You not come out. Let me see your phone.
No.
You're not come out here. Very sorry, you're not coming out. You're too wicked. If me do you something, we don't understand. Me not do you nothing at all. Me a good. You're not coming out here. You're not. Samus, let me see your phone. Let me see your phone. Let me see the phone.
Listen, don't
Big, stop calling phone.
Don't make my glasses break.
Where you go?
Angle.
You know what? We're not fight with you now.
We'll
You're not worth it.
Let me get my bag. Let me pack my stuff.
Get which bag? I say you're not going. You go on next day, not now. No.
What is this?
Let me see your phone, Sanusi.
No, me not. Man,
Let me
not
see your
saying,
phone.
come on. It's up now.
Let me see your phone.
Is it up now? Mind you don't break my glasses, you know.
Take off your glasses.
So move them.
No, let me see the
Move
phone.
over there. Move over there.
Let me see the phone.
Move over there. Let me take my glasses off.
Let me see your phone.
No, me not give you my phone. Me not give you
You're
my
not
phone.
coming out here.
Me not give
You're
you my
not
phone.
coming out here. You're not coming out here. You're not coming out
Me not
here.
give-
Call back whoever. Call back whoever. You're not come out here. You're not come out. Worse if you can't explain to me what me do. If you explain and me know what me do, then me will say alright, go on.
Me say me tired of you.
No. Tired of me for what? Tell me what me do make you tired of me. What me do make you tired of me? What me do?
Me no have me way. Me tired of you.
You're not coming out. You're not coming out.
Angle.
I want me Ross. Who you talk to?
Let me get my bag.
No, you're not getting a bag. You're not getting a bag. The papa will get involved tonight. You're not getting no bag. Some say behave now, you make me asthma take me behave now.
So, give me a chance. I say I need a break.
I'm here to tell you why you need a break. What happened?
I'm gonna go outside barefoot, you know.
Tell me what happened. When you tell me what happened, I don't care. You can't go on.
You know what happened?
What?
You know what happened?
What?
It's a prank.
Which prank?
It's a prank. It's a prank. Watch it. It's a prank. Look, nobody was calling me.
This is not a damn
It's a
prank.
prank.
Everything a prank. Someone let me see your phone.
Listen, no. Relax, no. Why you jump so?
Let me see your phone.
Why you jump so? Look what me do. Look, I put it right here, and I keep pressing the ringtone.
No, let me see your phone. Somebody call you. Let me see your phone.
Somebody call me? Where's this somebody call me? Where's this somebody that call me? It's a prank. People.
Someone say, make me chest hurt.
People. Guys, look at it. Look at it. Guys, look at it. I make her head, I bust up her head upside. Look, I make her run crazy. I pack up, look guys, I pack up my toothpaste, toothbrush, bag and everything. Look, I put seven of everything.
Guys, start the truth. Do not think I go.
Look guys, 7 of everything. Look guys, look. You see? I said I was gonna bust up her head and I did bust her head up. Look guys. I pack how many stuff? Look, 7. Look, you see guys, I was gonna go for 7 days.
So guys, George got me so good in this one. We were supposed to do a Q&A and I put the camera and went out on the road. And when I came back, he got me real good without me realizing he even turned the camera on. So I know you guys gonna be happy because he really, really got me this time.